Well, good day, everyone. A live look outside. There's the Jupiter Inlet and the lighthouse. We're going to see plenty of sunshine today with a mix of sun and clouds. Not much rainfall around with drier air moving on in, but it will be a breezy day with winds up to about 25 miles an hour. In fact, that's what we're seeing right now. These are the sustained winds coming in off of the Atlantic at 15 to almost 20, but we're seeing wind gusts up to 25. So it's going to be breezy not just today, but pretty much all week long as a strong area of higher pressure builds to our north. And that high is also helping to send in some drier air. So we are seeing a mix of sunny clouds and just a spotty rain shower south of the Belglade area. The rain that we had last week, that's shifted off to the west. You can see all of this tropical moisture right here. That's getting pushed over into Texas, and they're going to see very heavy rainfall over the next few. Now, we are watching the Atlantic. Right here, there's a tropical wave, and this is going to work its way just to the north of the Bahamas over the next several days. And the Hurricane Center is giving it a 30% chance that it spins up into a tropical cyclone, meaning either a depression or a storm. Models do keep it just to our north and take it up towards Georgia, South Carolina. Either way, extra tropical moisture will get fed into South Florida, and that's going to increase our rain chances as we head towards the end of the week. Also increase the surf and also keep things on the windy side. Now, in the meantime, in the Bay of Campeche, we're watching this right here. An area of lower pressure is expected to develop. This one has a high chance of becoming our first tropical cyclone of the season, and that area of lower pressure will eventually work its way into Mexico. So no real threat to South Florida. For us, lots of dry air in place, so not much rainfall around, but then here comes that tropical wave right there. We're going to keep an eye on that, and then notice all of this extra moisture. Again, that's going to work its way to South Florida and increase the rain chances. It is going to be breezy today, up to 25-mile-an-hour winds. As we head into tomorrow, 25-mile-an-hour winds. And then notice as we head towards Wednesday, even windier with gusts up to about 30 miles an hour. Here's Vipercast. Really not much in the way of rainfall. We're just going to see a mix of sun and clouds, maybe the occasional spotty rain shower coming in off of the Atlantic, but we're generally dry. 88 degrees otherwise, an easterly flow at 20. If you're going boating, it is going to be bumpy out there with those winds, seas 3 to 5. Inland waters will be choppy, and here's your first alert 7-day forecast. So temperatures climbing into the upper 80s over the next couple of days. Rain chances increasing by the middle and the end of the week.